Hi friends, Nicole Gilmore here with eXp Realty.
And Lolita Godfrey with the Mortgage House.
We're here for your weekly market update. So folks, the home sales registered on the MLS in Metro Vancouver for October were 14% lower than last October, so far less sales going on. This was also 14.5% below the 10-year seasonal average. There were over 5,000 attached, detached, and apartment properties newly listed for sale in Metro Vancouver this past October. This is a 16.3% increase above the 10-year seasonal average. But please keep in mind that a lot of sellers and realtors will cancel their listing and relist it with a slight of a price drop, so it pops back up into everybody's emails, and so it looks like a new listing. They are including those units in this stat, so we don't really have a true picture of how many actual new listings are. However, the total number of properties currently listed is 16,393, which is a 13.2% increase compared to last October. So that's a lot. That's a lot of new listings, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And it's actually 35.9% above the 10-year seasonal average. So the benchmark prices for all properties, that's including detached, attached, and apartments for Metro Vancouver, is 1.132,500. That's 3.4% decrease from last October. So take a look at this stats from our board, and you can see the graph shows that we are nowhere near the bottom like we were in 2015, and we're not that far from the peak of 2022. April 2022 had a peak of 1.259900 versus the current HPI of 1.132500. So Lolita, how does this stat work for people in terms of, like, it's not looking that bad?
It's not looking that bad because when the prices have dropped like that, there's not very many on the market, and the prices have dropped, it means that you need less down payment, right?
Less down payment's
exactly,
good.
Yes, as compared to, say, a couple of years ago when the prices were way higher.
Yeah, right. So if the average price right now is 1.132,500, what is a good down payment for that from a mortgage broker's perspective?
Well, definitely. Well, it depends again if you're a first-time homeowner, if you have an inheritance from your parents or grandparents, and then you can put down quite a big down payment. Then you can put at least 20% down.
Yep.
Anything less than that, you're looking as an insured mortgage, and so. You just basically need 5% down.
Bank of Canada dropped interest rate to 2.25.
Yes, so which means that the prime rate has dropped. So we're looking at 4.45, and then a lot of the lenders offer discounts. So then your actual rate is actually lower than that, and that's your variable rate. So when prime goes up, then your rate goes up, and your payments could either go up or down depending on the lender you're with. And then when the rates go down, then of course your payments can also go down, which is more money going to your principal too. So it's definitely a great time. Most of our clients are actually looking at variables over fixed right now because they have dipped lower than fixed rate. Willing to play with that and see, roll the dice, then definitely that might be something that you're being considering.
Yeah, and I'm sure that you can provide some statistics on whether a variable choice over a fixed rate choice is a better way to go.
And I also, so I definitely, when I give my clients options, I always talk about the fixed rate compared to the variable and what their future holds. Are they thinking of selling in the next couple of years? Are they thinking of maybe breaking their mortgage? If that's the case, then you might want to go with a variable, especially when variable is a little lower than a fixed. So it just depends.
Yeah.
Every situation is different, but definitely we can chat about that anytime.
If you have any questions on your mortgage and you'd like to maybe reshuffle it, give this gal a call. And if you'd like some information on your neighborhood, give me a call.
Absolutely.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.